Hi, it's Sarah Jane from Best Bits Travel Guides. My confession as a travel writer, I'm a very bad example of how to pack a suitcase. I should know better. Overpacking is my personal specialty. In fact, I've been known for paying exorbitant extra luggage fees to simply cart my possessions around that I never needed. Today, I also suffer from underpacking. My packing stupidities, travelling with cabin luggage only. It was a great idea until I reached Italy and those gorgeous linen tops reached out to me. Then you're trying to wrap, roll and stuff your coveted purchases in a duffel bag. It doesn't work. You end up buying yet another suitcase for the finds you probably didn't need anyway. Deciding you can manage without your favourite shampoo, hair conditioner and moisturiser. Naturally, the local pharmacy in Georgia does not stock your brand. At least you can read the word shampoo on the bottle. Checking online weather reports and believing that you know more than the locals. Consequently, you leave your sensible, all-weather, windproof, torrential downpour raincoat at home. It's back on the rack and it's pouring with rain and you're wet and cold. This is a real holiday downer. The best one, packing an evening outfit as I embark on a walking holiday. Why on earth did I think sequins look good next to a waterfall? Some tips to avoid the worst of your packing disasters. I'm not sure if I should call them tips. They're more like, this is what I found out by being one of the world's worst packers. Pack your bags a week beforehand. Then unpack and pop half the contents back in the wardrobe. This strategy sort of works, as I have a tendency to sneakily go back into the wardrobe and repack for the second or third time in the offending suitcase. Make a mental list. Only 3 t-shirts, only 3 pairs of trousers, only 2 pairs of shoes, perhaps 3. You can spend hours before you go on holiday debating the list in your head. It's as much fun as the holiday. Discipline yourself shopping while on holiday. Great for the budget, or give in to the waiting at the dreaded airport luggage arrivals carousel for your surplus luggage. Limit weight, more room for impulse shopping by not carrying the entire contents of your cosmetic bathroom supplies with you. Weight is the biggest factor in causing you angst when you're trying to haul the offending suitcase off the conveyor belt at the airport. Decant liquid into reusable containers, enough for 2 or 3 weeks, and that is it. No more, and carry solid bars of deodorant and shampoo, which are actually lighter and safer and don't leak. I pack a bar of laundry soap. It's practical, and I embrace the joy of washing clothes in a tiny bathroom sink by hand. Carry portable clothesline, and you can always use the hairdryer for a quick blow dry of the t-shirt. It's fun. You put the t-shirt on and you're blasting yourself with hot air. It's sort of like a sauna and you feel very virtuous. Your hair's drying, the t-shirt's drying. Test drive your duffel carry-on luggage allowance for a week at home. No no furtive trips to the wardrobe while you practice living with less for a week in the comfort of your home. It's an amazing exercise and it's lots of fun as you try and cheat yourself. The maximum shoe allowance carved into stone is 3. Sandals if it's hot, sneakers for walking, hiking, outdoors, and transition comfortable shoes for everything else. Try to cut down to 2 pairs of shoes and don't cheat. I do, but you don't need to. You will be wearing the heaviest shoes on the plane and 1 in the bag. The rule is 3 pairs maximum, with 1 worn on your feet. I love this save for packing excess. Traveling with family members? Great! Butter them up and pop a few goodies in their bags. Bribery works here, with tickets for shows and attractions. Although this effort to offload your excess can backfire, relatives will expect favours in return, or worse, decide you need disciplining and audit your excess. Have you undergone the packing test yet at home, living with your suitcase and nothing else? Get going now! The weight of clothes is tremendous, especially when you're limited to 20 kg or 7 kg of cabin bags. Your beautiful wool coat is too heavy, it stays in the wardrobe. Audition your clothes for weight. Light, thermo design for warmth and breathability is the key. Outdoors tramping clothes are ideal, as serious hikers carry everything on their backs. Keep your hands free while traveling for security and ease of use. Travel with backpacks, duffel bags that transition into backpacks and crossbody bags. No more handbags, no clunky computer gear. Everything is downloaded, laptop and crossbody bag, and chargers, crossbody bag, duffel bag. If you feel comfortable with paper copies, use them later, the paper that is, as informal notepaper. Remember, if you discard these records overseas, rip them up into tiny pieces to protect your personal security. I adore the holiday, the sense I'm finding out things, I'm traveling, I'm meeting new people. The packing, not so much. Subscribe and survive the holidays down under with Best Bits travel guides, and we'd love to hear how your packing went. Talk to you soon.